Welcome to episode 10 of our #SaaS Startup series, where we're diving into one of the most critical aspects of artificial intelligence, ethical AI deployment. As AI continues to shape industries and redefine possibilities, the importance of deploying these systems ethically cannot be overstated. In this episode, we'll explore best practices for ethical AI deployment, how to monitor and evaluate AI systems post-deployment, and the value of feedback loops for continuous improvement. Why ethical AI deployment matters. AI is transformative, but it's also a technology with immense power that must be wielded responsibly. From facial recognition software to recommendation algorithms, every AI system impacts people and society in ways both visible and subtle. Deploying AI systems without a thoughtful ethical framework can lead to biased outcomes, loss of trust, and even catastrophic failures. Whether you're building an AI-powered SaaS startup or integrating AI into an established business, understanding and implementing ethical deployment practices is essential. Best practices for ethical AI deployment. Deploying AI ethically starts with establishing a strong foundation of principles and practices that guide every stage of development and implementation. Here are the most critical steps. Transparency in AI systems. Transparency builds trust. It involves openly communicating how your AI systems function, the data they use, and the decisions they make. When users understand the process, they are more likely to trust the outcomes. Open documentation. Provide clear, accessible documentation for your AI system's functionality. Explainable AI. Focus on creating models that are interpretable. Avoid black box algorithms in high-stakes applications like healthcare or finance. Stakeholder engagement. Engage users, customers, and other stakeholders in discussions about how AI impacts them. Mitigating bias. Bias in AI is one of the biggest challenges organizations face. It arises when AI models inherit biases from training data or algorithms, leading to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. Pre-launch bias audits. Conduct thorough checks to identify and address biases in training data and algorithms. Diverse data sets. Use data that represents diverse populations to ensure fairness across demographics. Iterative testing. Continuously test and refine your models to address evolving biases over time. Inclusivity and accessibility. AI systems should work for everyone. Inclusivity ensures that your technology serves all demographics equitably. User-centric design. Design AI interfaces with accessibility in mind, considering users with disabilities or limited technical knowledge. Regional customization. Adapt AI systems for different cultural, social, and linguistic contexts. Ethical impact assessments. Regularly evaluate how your AI impacts various user groups. Accountability. Define clear lines of accountability for decisions made by AI systems. This ensures that when something goes wrong, there are processes to address and rectify the issue. Human-in-the-loop systems include mechanisms for human oversight, especially in critical decision-making scenarios. Error reporting. Create channels for users to report AI errors or concerns. Ethical review boards. Establish internal or external review boards to oversee AI deployment and ethics. Monitoring and evaluating AI systems post-deployment. Ethical AI deployment doesn't stop once the system is live. Continuous monitoring and evaluation are crucial to ensure AI systems operate as intended and evolve responsibly. Continuous performance evaluation. Track your AI system's performance regularly to ensure it remains accurate, efficient, and fair. Accuracy metrics. Measure how well your AI meets its intended goals. Efficiency benchmarks. Monitor processing times, resource utilization, and other operational metrics. Ethical metrics. Develop metrics to measure fairness, bias levels, and compliance with ethical standards. Real-time bias checks. Bias can creep into AI systems over time due to changing data inputs or unforeseen variables. Regular audits. Schedule routine audits to identify new biases. Bias drift analysis. Monitor data pipelines for shifts in input patterns that might introduce bias. Third-party reviews. Engage external experts to validate your bias mitigation efforts. Security and privacy measures. Protecting user data is non-negotiable. AI systems must have robust security protocols to safeguard sensitive information. Data encryption. Use strong encryption methods to secure data in transit and at rest. Access controls. Limit access to sensitive data to authorized personnel only. Incident response plans. Have a strategy in place to respond to data breaches swiftly and effectively. Social and environmental impact assessments. AI's impact extends beyond the digital world. Evaluate the broader implications of your systems. Social responsibility. Assess how your AI affects communities, employees, and customers. Environmental footprint. Minimize the energy consumption of AI models to reduce carbon emissions. Feedback loops for continuous improvement. One of the most powerful aspects of AI is its ability to learn and adapt. Feedback loops ensure your system evolves responsibly while meeting user needs. User feedback channels. Encourage users to provide feedback on your AI systems. Surveys and reviews. Collect user opinions about system performance and fairness. Error reporting tools. Provide easy ways for users to flag issues or inaccuracies. Community engagement. Build a user community to share experiences and suggestions. Error analysis and root cause identification. When errors occur, analyze them deeply to understand the root causes. Error logs. Maintain detailed logs for all system operations to trace issues effectively. Root cause analysis. Investigate why the error happened and identify preventive measures. Iterative refinements. Use insights to improve algorithms and reduce error frequency. Ongoing model updates. AI systems must stay up to date with evolving data, regulations, and user expectations. Regular retraining. Update models with fresh, unbiased data. Policy revisions. Adapt internal policies to align with new legal or ethical guidelines. Feature enhancements. Incorporate user feedback to add useful features or address concerns. Conclusion. Deploying AI ethically is an ongoing journey that demands vigilance, responsibility, and collaboration. By following best practices, monitoring systems post-deployment, and embracing feedback loops, organizations can create AI solutions that are not only powerful but also principled and trustworthy. Remember, ethical AI is about more than avoiding harm, it's about proactively creating value and building trust. If you found this episode insightful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to stay updated on future episodes. Together, let's shape the future of AI responsibly.